If you too wish to develop your app and then publish it on Play Store to earn thousands of dollars, then this video is for you. So hello everyone, it's me Harshit from SciTech, and today in this video, I will be going to let you know that how you can publish your application or game on Play Store without having much hassle. So this is the game or app which we will be going to publish today in this video. It will look something like this. Okay, so this is the app or game which we have designed, and this app we have designed by just using AI no code. And even if you wish to design the same app, there's a video waiting for you in the I button. And as you can see, we have also monetized it using Google Ads. You can see it using the ads coming up like this. For now, I'm just using in my mobile or device, so that's why I'm using test tracks. But you can monetize, you can integrate games all by just using AI and no code. Now, so as to publish it on Play Store, we will collect all of the required material so that we can publish it easily on our Google Play Store. Before proceeding to the Play Store, you need to design a logo for your app, for which there is a video in the I button I have attached for you. After generating the logo, you need to generate privacy policy pages for your app, for which you can visit this link. So what you need to do, you need to provide your app name over here. So I will provide the app name over here. Let's say mini games. Contact information, I will provide my email ID. Date is of today. Any information, if you are collecting any extra information, you can provide here, but we are not collecting. And our app is ad supported because we are also monetizing it. So select ad supported. Android we are using, so we will continue. Individual developer name you can provide. So I have provided my developer name. And what third-party services you will be going to use. So we are using AdMob only. Okay. So I've selected AdMob, and if you are using any other thing, you can even provide that. But for now, we are only using AdMob. And click on next. Okay. So here you have received your privacy policy. If you click over here, you can download the whole privacy policy from here. And if you click on terms and condition, you can download the whole terms and conditions from here. So we will be going to copy this. So let me click on markdown and click on copy. So I've copied the privacy policy. Now it's time for the publishing part. So before moving directly to the publishing part, we first need a Play Store account, and second is all of the pre-requirement, which is the app name, app description, long description and short description, and all of the images and featured graphics, etc. So first thing, we should ever fix them. So as we have already created our app, so it's the name should be already fixed, and then package name is like unique name as I mentioned. So we should have these two details, and then a specific app icon of size 500 or 512 pixel. This already we have. We don't have feature graphics, so we need to generate a feature graphic. It's kind of a banner which we need to use on Play Store. And then privacy policies. So we have already published privacy policy on an Google document and make it public, and similarly terms and condition, and we have done it using a privacy policy generator website. You can do it for free as well. Link will be there in the description. I have made both of these document public. After that, another thing is short description and full description. So we need to generate a short description and full description for our application. So for that purpose, we will be going to use Google Gemini and you need to add something like this. And then inside triple quotes, attach the whole description which you have copied. Provide me a short description. Okay, so I have provided this, all of the details, and share it with Google Gemini, and now it will provide me with the long, short, and all of the required details as according to the description, so as to publish it on Google Play Store. Okay, so here now we are on Google Play Console. Okay, so now we are starting the publishing part. So we will generate all of the required documents for this, but how to set up it? So you need to visit developers.android.com, or you can write this at Google Play Console. So you need to sign up over here if you're not using Google Play Console previously. So you need to create an account, and there is a fees of $25. Once you have provided that fees, they will verify your account, for which you can use a PAN card. And once you have your account ready and it's verified, you can log into your account and publish as many as apps you wish. So here you can see I'm on Google Play Console. Here you need to visit home section. And if you need any support in developing your app or publishing your app, you can contact me or my team using the details attached in the description or going through this video. Okay, so now I'm here in my home section, and here you need to add a new application. So here you need to click on create app. You need to add the name. So I will add mini games. Select English and whatever language you wish to select. Select app or game. So I will be selecting it as a game. Okay, so you can change this later in settings, but you can't change whether your app is free or paid. So for now, our app is free, but okay, you will get automatic protection. Okay, this is done. Then you need to select both of these two options. But yes, our app is free, but we are using ads. So click on create app, and this will create a new application in your Google Play console. But this doesn't mean that our app is published. So now, if you go back to all apps, you will see a new app over here, which is mini games, and you can continue whenever you wish from here. So click on view app, and then here you will see all of the options to set up your app. So you need to click on set up your app and click over here. And these are all the options which we need to complete. So first we will click on set privacy policy, and here you need to provide the URL. So I will just go to this document and make sure it is like visible to everyone. So click on share and copy the public link and come back again to your Google Play console account. So here it is, and paste the link over here and click on save. Okay, now again go back. So first step is done. Now app access. Click over here. So all functionality in my app is available without accessing restrictions. So there is no login or some extra condition to use your app. You can select this one. Otherwise select my app is restricted if there is some login functionality. Now continue. Again go back after saving it. Ads. Yes, my app contain ads. Click on this one and go save, because we are publishing our app with AdMob ads monetization. And again go back. Content rating. So now you need to select a questionnaire. Okay. So if your app, like you need to provide your email ID over here. So I'm providing my email ID. So see you contact at the red siteaki.com. Just a minute. Okay. And as it is a game, I will select game. I agree. And next. Okay, so here you need to provide all of the whether your game includes violence, blood, or gory images. Okay, so you need to complete this questionnaire. So I will suggest do not include any games which does have violence or lot of violence or blood. So for non-selecting no, because it makes a little difficult and you need to go through a lot of like process. So it is a little different, because my games are like a normal car racing game and like fun purpose 3D game. So I will select it like these. Language. So offensive language use like whether any offensive language you use inside your application. I will select no. Control substance no. Crude demand no. Okay, so any digital purchase or cash what? No. Okay, does this game natively allow user to interact or exchange content? No. If we don't share users content online or like their physical location. Okay, any German or Nazi or swastik symbol use? No. Any content? No. Terrorism? No. Okay. Okay. So it's done. Okay. So we have completed this. I think any step is missing. Oh, sorry. We need to save it and then next. Okay. So this is like our app is for everyone. So anyone can use, because it's like not that much friendly, and it's done. Now you can go back. This is a questionnaire which decides the rating, like who can use your app. Okay. So target age group. Okay. So let me select these options and start the questionnaire. Next. Yes. Ads in your app are like suitable for children, because it is like showcased by Google. So for sure, I'm going to okay. So this part you can do not include my app in expert approved program. You can skip this for now. Okay, and save it. And you can go back. Now data safety, we need to complete this form as well. Go to next. Okay, does your app collect or share data? Of course, we are not collecting any data, so for sure we are not sharing it with anyone else. You are required to follow. Yes, we are following the policies. And next. Okay, it's done. You can save it and again go back to dashboard. Okay, and government apps. No, our app is not a government app. You can select no and go back. Financial features. So banking loans, if there's any feature in your app. My app doesn't provide any financial feature. You can select and go next. Okay, save. And now you can again go back to dashboard and help. Okay, so any health and fitness feature provided? No. And again, you can go back to dashboard. Sorry, it's not saved yet. Save and go back to dashboard. Okay, it's done. So these are the options which we have completed. Now select over here. So here we need to provide category for our application. Okay, so it's game category. You can select category. So click on edit game, and what's the category of our game. So here you can select what's your the category of your game. So what type of game you have included. So action, adventure, arcade, board, casino, casual. So I will be selecting casual for now. Okay, and save. Close this. And you can select tags, what type of games you have. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I have selected. And here you need to provide all of the details. So here you need to provide the website. It is not required, but if you have, you can provide it. Email address is required, and save it. Close this. Go back to your dashboard. So this is done. Set up a store listing. This is the main and most important final last part. Okay. So you need to provide the name here. We already have name. We need a short description for our app. We need a full description for our gaming app. App icon. So you can click on add assets. And we need to upload that icon of 512 by 512. So this is the icon. I can directly upload and select it. And make sure it is of maximum 1 MB. And click on add. You can see our logo is added over here. So first we need to provide short description and full description, and for that you can go to Gemini and provide prompt, and here are all our details. It provided me with two options. I will be selecting this one for now. Okay. So short description is this one. I will be going to directly copy it and paste it. It is as according to our app. You need to add a short description, and then a long description is over here. So I will be going to copy this one for now and paste it. Make sure to go through and check it, but for now I'm just copying and pasting it. Okay, it says it's not pasted yet properly. I will type something and then paste it. Okay, it's in within limit. And let me copy this one. Let me type something and then paste it. Okay, now it's done. You can see you can make any edits if required. So this part is done. Now feature graphics. So again, coming back to our Adobe Express, I have created a feature graphic, something like this. So feature graphic is of something like this dimension, and even I mentioned in the document as well. So here, if you go to the document, you will see 1024 by 500 pixel of dimension we need, and even it's mentioned on Play Store that we need a feature graphic of 1024 by 500 pixel. So you need to create a feature graphic. I have already created a feature graphic something like this for same application. So I'm uploading this design. Click on add asset, click on upload. Here's the design. I will upload it. So this is like a kind of featured graphic which will be displayed at very top. Once it is uploaded, I will click on add, and you can see it's displayed over here. And if you do have any video for your app, you can provide it over here. Otherwise, you can skip that part. Okay. After that, we need to create screenshots. So what you can do, just visit your application, take some screenshots at different screens, and then you can edit them again here in Adobe Express. So I have created some screenshots like this. This is the design I will be going to share. So you can skip or like you can replace the part inside this screen, and similarly on this screen, and can design some screenshots like this. And the second way which is there in video is a application called preview.app. You just need to go over here and create your account. Okay, so I have logged into this website, and here you just need to, so features, use cases, app storage screenshots, click over here. Okay, so here you can browse templates, or even you can select from bottom. So any template you wish to select, you can select from here. Let's say I wish to select this template. So you can click on edit. This is very simple one. And if you wish to design more creative one, you can either use Canva or maybe you can use Adobe Express. Now, what you need to do, just click over here and upload the screenshot of your mobile phone which you have taken. So let's say this is the screenshot of one screen I have taken. Just go over here and adjust it accordingly. So let me click on stretch and use image, and you can see it's automatically replaced. Now I can edit the text accordingly. Similarly, click on another screen, or I will just download it, and free or PNG you can select. So I will download this dimension, and okay, it's downloaded. Now I will go back here unzip that file. You can see here we have all of our screenshot. This one I will delete because it's an extra one. Okay. Now again I will go back to Play Store, and here I will upload all those screenshots which I have just generated. For phone I will select again 1, 2, 3, 4 at. This one should be first one, and second, third and fourth. Okay, I've erased them. This type of screenshot we need to provide as well, which is 10-inch tablet screenshot. Copy the dimensions, which is 1080 by 7680. I will add a new file here, new page over here. So this is the resolution which I am selecting for now. And what I will do, I will upload all of the images over here. You just need to go to downloads, previewed. We'll select all these images and click on open. Okay, so now we do have all of the 4 screenshots for tablet. I will download them. Go back again over here, Play Store, add assets, click on upload, download, and that new files. Okay, so now it's working, you can see, and I will click on add. So these screenshots are also added over here, and now I will click on save. Okay, so this part is also done. Now you can again go back to dashboard after saving it. So all of these steps are done. So here you do have a release your app option. So you can select countries. So first we need to select countries where we wish to release our application. So I will be going to add regions, country regions, and I will be selecting all of the countries and click on save. Okay, so it's done. And now you need to create and roll out a release. You need to go on this option. Make sure you are not testing it. Let me go back again on dashboard. Make sure you release it for everyone. To release your app, create and publish a release, you need to go to this option and select countries over here. And countries, make sure to select the specific option so that because we are not testing it, we are creating a release, production release, like anyone can use. Now click on create new release. And now here, this is the most important and final option. Here we need to upload app bundles like final files over here. So release name, what this is so that you can identify this release. We have suggested name based on your first app bundle or APK in this release. Okay, so you need to provide a name over here and release notes over here. Okay, it's done. Okay, release name. So I will name it as mini apps version 1.0.0. And we need to upload app bundle. Okay, so this part is done till here. Now we will go back again over here. Here we need to type one more prompt, provide a .akb file. Okay, so till the time it is generating our application's final bundle file. So if you're facing any issues in generating your application or monetizing your application, or maybe you are not aware about any of these steps and you need help, then you can reach out to us on the details mentioned below or in the comment section or description. We can help you out in generating your app, or even you can now order your app or websites from us at a very lower cost. Okay. So now you can see it has generated all of the required files, and you can see it has generated our build edit location. Okay, so inside release, you can see here's our AAB file. You just need to download that file. So I will click on zip and download. Now you just need to go back here in your Play Console account and click on upload and go to downloads and upload this file. If you're facing any issues over here, you need to make changes according. You can just copy that prompt or like whatever problem you are getting over here, and copy that specific problem over here and ask Gemini to resolve that problem. But let's wait what happens over here. Okay, so you can see you uploaded a APK. Okay, or that was signed in debug mode. You need to sign your APK or release mode. Okay, so you just need to provide this option. I'm getting this error. I will provide this. Okay, and it will provide me updated file as according to that, and then we will proceed with that. So what you need to do, you just need to remember all of the details. So the password and the name you need to remember. So you can copy this and make sure to keep this safely, because so as to unlock your Keystore key, or whenever you wish to for the next time, you need to make sure that you are using the same password to unlock it. So for now, this is generating for us the um, Five Studio is generating all of the details for us, but make sure to keep all of those details safely so that you can use in future whenever you are providing some other updates to your application. Okay, so you can see now our updated APK bundle file is generated, which is at this location. So again, this is the same folder, but I will refresh it and just to confirm, app outputs bundle release app release AAB. Okay, this is the same folder. I will again zip and download it. Okay, I will upload the file again. Okay, now I can use it. We'll see if this works. And let's wait for it to get completed, and once it is done, we can proceed with our like final submission part. Okay, so you can see it's done. Our a bundle is supported, and it's 1.0.0 version, and target and API level is over here. You can just click on next. Okay, and here are the release notes which we are providing, and our app can be easily downloaded within under 6 seconds. So that's like a pretty good time. You can click on save, go to overview. Okay, so there is one issue over here. Incompleted advertising ID declaration. All developers are required to. Okay, so we need to just fill a form, complete declaration. Okay, does your apps use an advertising ID? Yes, our app is using an advertising ID. For what purpose? So for advertising or marketing, we will select and personalization, click on save. Like because our app is like displaying ads, so we are using advertising ID. Okay, and now you can click on send 40 changes for review and send changes for review. So this will perform quick checks, and after that your app will be published. Okay, so finally we have published our application or game on Google Play Store. Now we will wait for it to get verified or approved, and once our application or game is published on Play Store, we will copy the link and update the same in our Google Ad Mob so that we can make the ad units active. The next morning. Okay, so currently I'm here on Play Store, and if I go to notification, you can see we get a notification from the side of Play Store that our app is rejected, and there is some issues with our app. So let's click on view details. Okay, so there are two issues with the family policy requirement, and it's because of we are placing ads, and there is some issues with that. So let me click on that. Okay, so here you can see it says unclosable ads. So it is something like our ads or like the ads placement which we have done are not supporting the family policies. So that's why we need to change the family's ad format or maybe some other thing. And similarly, the other issue is also relating to the ad content type in our app, and which is consistent for app rating. Okay, so we need to do some changes so as to make this as according to family policy and in our like ad placement. Okay, so for that, what we will be going to do here, you can like see I'm in my ad mob and I've selected my application, and here you need to go to blocking controls, and here you can see sensitive categories option. And here if you see, we have allowed this type of ads in our app, and this type of ads, and there are like few other types which are not might be supported for like family policies. Only two of these categories are not allowed. Okay, so we need to make some changes so as to adhere these policies. So you can make changes over here. So I will be making all those changes, and also as mentioned, we need to we can even attempt the questionnaire again. So here if I go to publishing overview, and now you need to go to target audience and edit this one. And now you can see we have selected 9 to 12 years old over here. But now I will be changing this so that it doesn't go or like it will not be that much strict after that. So I'm making it. But if you are selecting 9 to 12 and even 6 to 8, then you need to make changes over here in AdBlock. So we will be going to do that as well. And there is one more option of ad content rating. Go over here. Just to resolve this issue if you are facing this. And here you can see match account level setting. We have not selected for parent guidance. So I will go over here and click here. Okay. Let me go again back here, and we have unselected 9 to 12, and now on proceeding with the updated one. Okay. 13 to 15, 16, 17 and 18 and over. And you can even make it to 16 to 17. I will again click on go to overview. And now again I will save it here. parental guidance. So we have resolved both of the issues, and here even you can find 4 categories for which you don't wish to show ads, and here even I will close these type of ads in my application. Okay, so I have blocked them as well. Here you can click on send 14 changes for review, send changes for review. Okay, so again our app will be sent for review once this quick checks are performed, and then we will get a link of our live application.
Several long days later.
Okay, so we are on Play Store again, and here you can see our app is published. You should have received notification over here, and it says your app is published. App update, it's published. Okay, so you can just click over here on go to publishing overview, or you can just directly click on your app, and even here it says production. Previously it was saying it is under review, but now it says it is under production. But for now, you can just directly click on view on play, and boom, it will redirect to your Play Store listing. Okay, and you can see this is the URL. So what you need to do, you just need to copy this URL, and yes, as your game is live on Play Store, you can share this URL with anyone. They can install your app. So finally, we have completed each and everything required for this video. I have attached the link for each and every material required for this video in the description and in the pinned comment section. If you still have any doubts or questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. We will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.